How to use LawDepot real estate lease properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think creating a lease with LawDepot is as simple as filling out a form, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can lead to disputes, legal issues, or financial losses. The first mistake is not specifying all these terms clearly. Beginners often skip details like rent amount, payment due dates, or late fees. Ambiguities can lead to disagreements with tenants or even eviction complications. Another common error is ignoring state-specific laws. Lease requirements vary by state, including security deposit limits, notice periods, and habitability rules. Beginners who use generic templates without adjusting for their state risk non-compliance. Many users also overlook tenant responsibilities and property rules. Cleaning, maintenance, and utility obligations must be clearly defined. Beginners who leave these out may face confusion and conflicts down the line. Failing to include renewal and termination clauses is another pitfall. Without these, both landlords and tenants may struggle to know how or when the lease ends. Beginners often assume a lease automatically renews, which can cause legal headaches. Finally, some people neglect to keep signed copies and documentation. LawDepot allows for digital signing, but beginners who don't save copies risk losing proof of the agreement. To use LawDepot real estate lease properly, clearly specify all terms, adjust for state laws, outline tenant responsibilities, include renewal and termination clauses, and save signed copies. Avoid these mistakes, and your lease will protect both parties efficiently and legally.